morning. So I just got out of my class for the day. Actually, I had 2 classes, so I just got out of my classes and I am about to head in Walmart to get a few things for supper tonight. I'm gonna fix a crock pot meal, which I will show you guys, and also probably some Oreo Delight just for kind of like a dessert. And I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna make, but first I have to get some groceries, and then I will see you guys probably at home because I'm not really in a hurry, but I want to try to hurry and get these groceries so I can go get Baylee. So I'm not going to take my vlog camera in Walmart, but yeah, I'll see you guys in a second. So I just got all of the stuff that I needed, and I'm going to head home and start the stuff in the crock pot, and then I'm going to go get Baylee and then go home and let it cook. I think I have to let it cook for 5 hours. I have to double check that. So I just went in the house and put the stuff in the crock pot, and I got a package, so I'm going to do a little unboxing for you guys. I honestly don't remember what it is. I think it's one of 2 things. So confused. Oh, okay, wait. Just kidding. It is a Christmas present for my papa, and also something that I ordered on my Amazon. So it wasn't either of the things that I thought it was, but yeah, there's a little unboxing for you guys. So I went ahead and put the stuff in the crock pot. I just chopped up cream cheese into little chunks, and that's 2 sticks of cream cheese, and then 2 ranch packets, and then about 2 pounds of chicken. And I just put it on low, and I'm going to let it stay on low until I get home, and then it needs to cook for about 5 hours. So hopefully it'll be ready by the time Seth gets home. It is about 1 o'clock right now. So it has now been probably about 2 hours or so, and I went ahead and kind of chopped up the chicken a little bit. So that is what it's looking like right now. So now I'm going to make this Oreo Delight stuff. So I got the French vanilla pudding mix. So I went ahead and put that in my bowl, and this calls for 2 cups of milk, but I'm going to put a little bit less than 2 cups just so it'll be kind of thick. And then I'm going to mash up the cookies into little pieces and use the Cool Whip and the cream cheese. So I added the milk, and I'm just going to kind of whisk this up until it gets thicker. It says it's ready in like 5 minutes, so I think as soon as this is kind of all mixed together, it'll start to thicken up, and then I can add the other stuff in. So I have the cream cheese, 1 thing of Cool Whip, and the pudding mixed together, and I think I'm going to add this other one just so we have more, and then crush up these Oreos and stir it in, and then put a layer on top. So I crushed up the majority of my Oreos and mixed them in here, and then I just kind of smoothed the top out, and now I'm going to put another layer of the Oreo crumbs and kind of decorate it real pretty, and then I'm going to stick it in the refrigerator for about 3 hours. So we got rolls, the rice is almost done. The chicken is good and done. I added the turkey bacon in there, and then I'm starting to make our plate. And over here I already made our dessert plates and our drinks. So here is the final result. Everything is ready, and we're probably going to eat in the living room tonight and maybe watch a show or something. So yeah, here's everything, and I'm so excited on how it turned out. It looks so good. So we have this spot right here in the entryway that honestly just kind of gets on my nerves. This is the big rug that I took out of the living room, so I have to decide what I'm going to do with it first. And then something, I mean, these shoes have got to go. They're just getting on my nerves, honestly. And then this table is pretty much our collect all for packages, everything like that. And so this space could be really pretty, so I'm gonna transform it, and I want it to be a coffee bar here. So here's the before. So I got this whole area cleared out right here, and I hung the light up higher. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I used some duct tape because I just got so tired of that light hanging down so low. I think the people that lived here before we did had like a table right here, but I didn't feel like a table would fit here good enough, so I didn't put one, and I just wanted the light to be higher, so I used some duct tape. But yeah, I'm gonna get to putting the coffee bar right here, and then we're gonna decorate it for Christmas. So here is the little coffee bar that I'm gonna use. I kind of wish it was a little bit taller, but I think it'll work and be fine. So I'm gonna start decorating it. So this is how it's looking so far. I just put that little stool under there so you can kind of sit down if you want to. I don't know, I may change it up some, but this is what I have so far. And I think I'm gonna put this thing together and stick it right here just to put like some coffee cups and stuff on. It just looks like this, and it matches the color of the Keurig. So currently in mid construction zone. I don't know what to call it. But yeah, I'm putting this thing together. Got the screws in so far, and that's it. Okay, so making a little bit of progress with this. I think I have the hang of how it goes together now, and then I have the 2 other shelves to go on there. So I think I'm gonna put this right here, like beside of the coffee bar, and put like season themed decorations and also all of my coffee cups in there. And I think that'll be super cute, so we'll see. Okay, so I just finished this little shelf. I had a little bit of trouble getting the wheels on there, but I think they're good now. It's not wobbly like it was. So yeah, this is what it looks like so far. So I was throwing all this stuff away, and I found this little wrench, which probably would have helped me with the wheels. So I'm going to turn it upside down and try to tighten the wheels a little bit and see if this wrench helps. So this is the final look. I think it's so cute. So over here, I kind of just have like some of our most used coffee cups, and then a little bit of decoration. I may get some like little berries to go in there to make it kind of Christmassy, and then a little Christmas dish rack, and then down here I have a little Christmas tree, and then the Noel sign, and then some more coffee cups and to-go cups down there. And then here I just have our Keurig, which I'm gonna turn off. Wait, it was off. Anyway, so here we have our Keurig, and then I just have this Meet Me Under the Mistletoe Christmassy cup that I think is so cute. And then we have our to-go cups. These are what Seth uses to take to work in the mornings. And then we have our jar of coffee, and then this one just has some K-cups and some filters because we do use the reusable one most of the time, and then some straws to stir it up. And then we just have this Have a Cup of Cheer sign that I got at the Dollar Tree. I thought it was so cute. And then we have this little jar of little tea bags. Then I have this little mini Christmas tree that I got last year, I think. And I just put a little bow and a couple little snowflakes on there, and it's so cute. I guess I'm gonna be drinking some coffee because it is turning on right now and heating up. But yeah, so this is everything right now. I think it's just so cute. I really want to get like a tall skinny tree to go beside of it, but if I did that, I'd probably move this to that side and then put it there. But I think it's so cute so far. So here's my little holiday coffee bar set up. I need to get something to go here. I don't know, it's kind of bare. So when I figure it out, I'll let you guys know, but this is it so far.
Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you